Welcome to Print Geek, where innovation meets print-on-demand efficiency.
The ROQ platform has been a game changer for us. Being able to print 250 unique items an hour has really helped us with our efficiency on the floor. So our goal at Print Geek is really to produce retail quality apparel. So ROQ has been working with us to really push the ROQ NOW technology to get to a space where we can print a shirt and you can take that shirt and then go hang it in a brick and mortar store. Now we can print 250 unique pieces an hour, Pantone match, at retail quality. Print Geek started 8 years ago. We started with the Brother platform. As we brought on more commercial business, we had to upgrade our machinery. So we pivoted from Brother and went to Kornit. We started to scale with Kornit, but over time we fell into trouble with consistency and just output capacity. It was challenging to scale from a financial standpoint. That's when we started looking at other options and we came across the ROQ platform. The ROQ platform has been a game changer for us. We moved to ROQ about 3 years ago now. We have 3 ROQ NOWs. It's been a very positive experience for our facility. We have really changed a lot of what we do here because of the platform. It has been, not just from a quality and consistency standpoint, but from an output and staffing standpoint as well. The people at ROQ, since day one, have always been very open, very easy to work with. It's been a big win for us for managing our relationship with our supplier. They've really worked with us to find a solution that works for us. It's one of the biggest selling points of going to the platform for us is it's really been an open partnership. We communicate. When things go wrong, we let them know. They work on those things, they fix those things. So it's been a big win for us to have a partner who's really listening to our problems and working to fix those things.
So with the ROQ software, we're able to actually make unique recipes for each different SKU that we carry. So for example, a unisex tee will have its own recipe, a youth tee will have its own recipe, and a hoodie will also have its own recipe. So we can basically have an unlimited amount of recipes. So we set that up, and then when we scan a shirt, the ROQ software will know which recipe that is and will automatically pick the correct recipe to print that shirt on. The nice part about it is we can print multiple things at the same time. So if you're printing a hoodie, if the recipe is set a certain way, it will know which height to put the print heads at. The next shirt after that can actually be a regular t-shirt, and the print heads will lower based off of that recipe. So it makes the transition seamless between different garments.
ROQ NOW has a ton of features. 6-color process for making the Pantones, which has been a win. 2-step pretreatment. With the 2-step pretreatment, we can get rid of most of our pretreatment boxes on most of our garments. Speed of the machine. With the newest upgrade, we're running about 250 an hour. Palette switching, super quick, super efficient, inline neck labeling. Great if you have to do neck labels that are one-off. We made the switch to ROQ for a few reasons. One was quality and consistency. We were looking for a print partner that can produce retail quality shirts. We've always believed that the future of printing is digital, and we needed a platform that will allow our business to scale as the expectations of the market scales. Second thing was output. The ROQ is fast, one of the fastest printers on the market, probably one of the fastest when it comes to output per operator, and then service. Being located in Canada, not a major population here in Canada, so having a company that's able to service us when we need help and our machines are down was ultra important. And ROQ really checkmarked all those 3 boxes. The partnership has been rock solid. The guys there are great. You have a problem, they pick up the phone, they do everything they can to help. It makes a difference. Pantone matching in the DTG industry has been evolving. When we started, that wasn't important to our clients. But as DTG goes more retail, our clients have higher expectations of us. And having 6 colors to hit the max amount of Pantones you can has been a win. DTG is limited, so having more Pantones is something you'll need if you really want to service the big retail brands. ROQ and DuPont have really been bought into the whole process of getting our color to where it needs to be. Our clients are biggest brands that you know, and there's no leeway. So we're really getting into the nitty-gritty. The Delta E, the variance between the Pantone and what we can produce, and we've been able to hit what we need to hit to get the business. So, and that's really thanks to ROQ and DuPont being on site and working with us. So once we made the switch to ROQ, we've seen a decline in both customer complaints and spoilage. The 2-step pretreatment has really been what has driven that. The ROQ platform has allowed us to reduce our labor cost. Being able to print 250 unique items an hour has really helped us with our efficiency on the floor, and that has helped us drive our return on the investment for the ROQ NOW platform. One of our biggest bottlenecks for Print Geek has always been our machinery. It's always been a pain point in growing the business from a cost perspective, from an operator perspective, and from a reliability perspective. So once we went all in on ROQ, really we checkmarked those 3 boxes. And that really allowed us to grow our business to the next level because we weren't focused on the machines anymore. We were focused on growing the business. Print on demand industry, I don't think is going away. At Print Geek, we believe the future of manufacturing is local. So the same way you have these Amazon facilities all over the place, you're gonna have all these micro factories around every major metropolitan, and things are just gonna be made on demand. The ROQ platform is one of the reasons we're able to do what we do. What we've seen in the DTG space has really been a change in our clients' customers' sentiment towards DTG. As the quality of DTG grows, more people want things on demand. And the big retail brands want to carry less and less inventory, and DTG really fits into that space. Every other type of textile, when it comes to apparel, has moved digital. So it's only a matter of time that DTG slowly takes more and more screen printing volume. I'm a strong believer that the future of apparel printing is DTG and on demand. It's really about sustainability. If we want to change the world, we need to just make what people want. We don't need excess stuff. So DTG really falls in the space of just giving the people what they want, how they want it. And we believe in providing that service to our customers. If you want to do high volume one-off, you need a high output DTG machine, and you need a DTG machine that will provide the quality that the customer is expecting. And that quality keeps, that quality bar keeps going up, and ROQ has really been working with us to make sure that that machine is producing to that level that our customers are expecting. Brands have pivoted during COVID. A lot of brands got burned sitting on a ton of inventory. So print on demand has really opened the door to take less risk. They do a small sample run or no sample run and just post digital product online, and then they can let the customer choose what they want. Once they know what the customer's tastes are, they can then do bigger runs. But it's a much more strategic approach for our clients than just printing 100,000 piece orders and hoping it sells and then discounting what doesn't sell. With the ROQ NOW, we can print 250 unique pieces an hour, Pantone match, at retail quality.